Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung tag. First, make sure your Samsung tag has a good battery, as this ensures a smooth connection process. Next, grab your Samsung Galaxy phone and confirm that its Bluetooth is turned on. Finally, open the Smart Things app on your phone. This is where all the magic happens for setting up your new tag. We'll walk through each step together. Now, let's get your tag paired. Gently press the button on your Samsung tag until you hear a distinct sound, indicating it's ready to connect. Your Samsung phone should then automatically detect the tag and display a prompt to add it to your Smart Things account. Simply follow the clear, on-screen instructions to finalize the pairing process. It's usually just a few taps. Once paired, you can personalize your tag. Give your Samsung tag a unique name, like Keys or Backpack, so you can easily identify it in the Smart Things app. You can also set up custom actions for the Tags button, perhaps to control smart home devices with a single press. Explore the location tracking features to always know where your important items are. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. If your tag isn't connecting, try resetting the tag by removing and reinserting its battery, then restart your phone. Also, make sure your Smart Things app is updated to its latest version for the best performance and features. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.